Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Dhyan Foundation has been rescuing cattle since so many years in Goa. We are housing about 1,000 rescued cattle in our 3 Gaushalas located at Betul, Zambaulim and Shirvoi. This current pandemic scenario has brought crisis on this Gaushala, as the funds promised under the Goa Stray Cattle Management Scheme by the Animal Husbandry Department have not been released to us for the reasons best known to them. The Director of Animal Husbandry, Mr. Agostino Mishkita, says that the Panchayat has not given the documents. The Panchayat Secretary, Mr. Vinod Shinde, says that all the documents have been submitted many months before. So this to and fro situation has caused problem, and rehabilitation has taken a beating. Animals are suffering. There is tremendous fodder shortage. We have been awarded the Best NGO Award 2019, but such an organization is helpless due to the apathy shown by the Animal Husbandry Department.